Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Today we are going to learn basic questions and answers with word why and which. Why and which questions with beginner level answers, suitable for a level 2 learner. Why? Why is used to ask about reasons or causes. Why do we need water?
To stay hydrated and keep our body working properly.
Why do birds fly?
They have wings and light bodies, which help them fly.
Why is the sky blue?
Because sunlight scatters in the atmosphere.
Why do people wear shoes?
To protect their feet from harm.
Why do plants need sunlight?
To make their food through photosynthesis.
Why do we sleep?
To rest and recharge our bodies and minds.
Why does it rain?
Clouds get heavy with water, and it falls to the ground.
Why do animals have tails?
For balance, communication, or swatting insects.
Why do we use computers?
To work, study, and communicate.
Why do people eat vegetables?
They are healthy and give us vitamins.
Why do fish live in water?
They have gills to breathe underwater.
Why do we need schools?
To learn new skills and knowledge.
Why do stars twinkle?
Light from stars passes through Earth's atmosphere.
Why do cars need fuel?
To power the engine and make the car move.
Why do bees make honey?
To store food for the winter.
Why do we have teeth?
To chew food and help with digestion.
Why is fire hot?
Because it releases energy when something burns.
Why do we celebrate birthdays?
To remember the day someone was born.
Why do leaves change color in autumn?
Trees stop making chlorophyll.
Why do we need air?
To breathe and stay alive.
Why do clocks have hands?
To show the time.
Why do we wear jackets in winter?
To stay warm in the cold weather.
Why do we need friends?
For support, fun, and companionship.
Why do we eat breakfast?
To start the day with energy.
Why do we brush our teeth?
To keep them clean and healthy.
Which is used to ask about choices or specific items from a set. Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Which fruit do you like most?
I like apples the most.
Which animal lives in water?
Fish live in water.
Which day comes after Monday?
Tuesday comes after Monday.
Which season is the coldest?
Winter is the coldest season.
Which month has 28 or 29 days?
February has 28 or 29 days.
Which subject do you like at school?
I like math.
Which is faster, a car or a bicycle?
A car is faster.
Which food is your favorite?
My favorite food is pizza.
Which sport do you play?
I play football.
Which is bigger, an elephant or a dog?
An elephant is bigger.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Toy Story.
Which tree gives us apples?
An apple tree gives us apples.
Which drink is healthier, water or soda?
Water is healthier.
Which is taller, a giraffe or a horse?
A giraffe is taller.
Which planet do we live on?
We live on Earth.
Which is sweeter, sugar or salt?
Sugar is sweeter.
Which animal has a long neck?
A giraffe has a long neck.
Which comes first, the chicken or the egg?
That is a tricky question.
Which is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Which language do you speak?
I speak English.
Which is heavier, a feather or a rock?
A rock is heavier.
Which tool is used to cut paper?
Scissors are used to cut paper.
Which country is known for pizza?
Italy is known for pizza.
Which animal is called the king of the jungle?
The lion is called the king of the jungle.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.